Welcome to Hi Channel. Today, please go with us to the hidden natural beauty of Smokey Hollow Loop, one of the most scenic hiking adventures along the Niagara Escarpment near Waterdown, Ontario. Our journey begins at the convenient free parking area, where the peaceful sound of rushing water already echoes through the forest. Only a short steps, we are greeted by the breathtaking close-up view of Smokey Hollow Waterfall, a stunning cascade flowing dramatically through the rocky gorge. Surrounded by towering cliffs, moss-covered rocks, and the cool mist rising from the falls, this magical spot instantly sets the tone for an unforgettable day of hiking. From the waterfall viewpoint, we continue along the main trail beneath a canopy of mature trees as the sounds of Grindstone Creek accompany our steps deeper into the valley. The route leads us onto the Norman Pearson Side Trail, where the forest becomes quieter and more secluded, revealing rugged terrain and scenic escarpment views along the way. Connecting with the McNally Side Trail, we climb and descend through peaceful woodland landscapes rich with spring greenery and the calming atmosphere that makes the Bruce Trail system so special. Along certain sections of the loop, the trail briefly connects with quiet residential streets, where charming cottage-style homes nestled among the trees add a warm and peaceful countryside feeling to the hike. These beautiful homes blend naturally with the escarpment landscape, making the journey feel both adventurous and welcoming at the same time. As the adventure continues, we return toward the Bruce Trail, but take a rewarding detour to complete the Eric Best Side Trail loop. This lesser-known section offers a more tranquil and intimate hiking experience, leading us toward the beautiful upper Grindstone Creek. Here, the flowing water, forest reflections, and quiet surroundings create a perfect moment to pause and appreciate the untouched beauty of the escarpment wilderness. Whether you come for the waterfall photography, peaceful forest hiking, charming cottage scenery, or simply to reconnect with nature, Smokey Hollow Loop delivers an unforgettable outdoor experience filled with scenic beauty, relaxing sounds of flowing water, and rewarding trails from beginning to end.